Hello everyone and welcome back to TNV Academy. Today we'll be exploring biological evaluation planning under ISO 10993 for medical devices. This critical process ensures that medical devices are safe and compatible with the human body. ISO 10993 is the international standard that guides the biocompatibility evaluation of materials used in medical devices. A well-structured biological evaluation plan is essential in this process, helping identify and assess potential biological risks effectively. What is biological evaluation planning? Biological evaluation planning involves creating a comprehensive strategy for testing the safety of a medical device's materials and how they interact with the body. The goal is to anticipate potential biological responses and conduct appropriate tests to confirm the device's safety and effectiveness. Key steps in biological evaluation plan. Define the scope of evaluation. Start by defining the scope of the biological evaluation based on the device's intended use, duration of contact, and materials. This step helps identify what types of biological tests are necessary. For instance, devices that come into contact with blood or tissue for extended periods may need more in-depth testing compared to devices with minimal contact. Gather existing data. Collect all available data on the materials used in the device. This includes previous biocompatibility testing, chemical composition, and historical safety data. Leveraging existing information can help reduce the need for new tests, saving time and resources. Identify potential biological hazards. The next step is identify potential biological hazards. Using ISO 10993-1, determine which biological endpoints such as cytotoxicity, sensitization, or genotoxicity need to be assessed. This hazard identification process considers the materials, manufacturing methods, and sterilization techniques used. Determine the necessary tests. Once hazards are identified, select the appropriate tests from the ISO 10993 series. These tests may include in vitro, lab-based, and in vivo animal-based or clinical methods to assess specific biological interactions. For example, cytotoxicity tests evaluate if materials harm cell health, while systematic toxicity tests examine effects when materials are absorbed by the body. Plan risk assessment and mitigation. Incorporate risk management into the biological evaluation plan. Identify ways to minimize or eliminate risks based on risk outcomes. If risks are identified, risk controls like materials changes or additional testing should be included in the plan to ensure that any potential adverse effects are mitigated. Establish documentation and reporting. Document every step of the biological evaluation plan. This includes test rationales, test methods, results, and any risk controls applied. The resulting biological evaluation report provides a comprehensive summary of all evaluations and serves as essential documentation for regularly submissions. Importance of biological evaluation. Planning effective biological evaluation. Planning is critical because it ensures that every medical device undergoes rigorous testing for biocompatibility. It provides a structured approach to addressing biological risks, ensuring regulatory compliance, and ultimately protecting patient health. To summarize this, we can say that biological evaluation planning in ISO 10993 involves defining evaluation scope, gathering data, identifying hazards, planning tests, assessing risks, and documenting results. By following these steps, manufacturers can confidently demonstrate that their devices meet the highest safety standards. Thank you for joining and watching my video for this overview of biological evaluation planning in ISO 10993. Proper planning is fundamental to ensure safe, reliable, and biocompatible medical devices. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel. and share it with your professional colleagues. See you in the next video. Thank you.